Hi everyone, Ashish Kyal here. It's fantastic to have you all here, and I'm sure आप market में अगर market देख रहे हैं तो you are enjoying it thoroughly because market is doing what exactly we have been expecting it to do. निफ्टी अगर आप निफ्टी की बात करें, बैंक निफ्टी की बात करें, what a reversal, what a move, amazing move, and वो भी lunar cycle. If you remember, there is a lunar cycle today which we talked about long back, and what a move on the lunar cycle day with her time cycle, with a 15 minutes time cycle and a daily chart, all in sync together along with new wave and AK indicator. It's not very often you see such synchronization behavior, and when no one was expecting कि यार जब लोगों को लग रहा था यहाँ से रिवर्स नहीं हो सकता, मार्केट तो गया, देखिए क्या मूव आया है, क्योंकि भाव भगवान से समय बलवान से, एंड इट्स वर्किंग वेल. सो बेसिस ऑफ दैट एंड इट हैज बीन अमेजिंग. सो अभी आगे बढ़ते, आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट अ स्कैल्पिंग स्ट्रैटेजी which is actually working. I'm going to talk about how you can apply it. Before I talk about these things, just keep in mind whatever we are doing is educational learning perspective. I'm no one recommending you to buy, sell anything, and investment is risky. So you have to be ensuring कि आप ये सारी चीजों को समझे और फिर खुद से इन्वेस्ट करें. So very quickly, I'm going to share across my screen with you all, and I'm going to teach you a strategy that actually works using a simple method of maybe Bollinger Bands, maybe AK indicator. You can combine that for scalping. How do you scalp? I'm going to talk about that, and it's going to be lovely. Let me just share my screen. And if you are enjoying, loving the tweets, videos, then do not forget to write down your comments, tweet it across. वो सारी चीजें करना भूलना नहीं. So when I'm sharing my screen, are you able to see the screen here? Every one of you? Overall, if you're looking at the overall screen, and this is crypto I'm talking about right now. This is Delta Exchange platform, and you have so many cryptos. Majorly, I trade into Bitcoin and Ethereum and those cryptos. So we'll talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin touching lifetime high. This is one bull market which is not ending. वो आपको ध्यान रखना है, and just keep this regulatory alert also in mind, which is right now here. This is one bull market which is not ending. Very clearly, you can clearly see that that's the daily time frame of Bitcoin to USD, and it has been giving a very good trend on the upside, consolidation back on the upside and breaking out very clearly. This is a daily time frame chart. You can go on 1 hour time frame chart also. When you go on the 1 hour time frame chart, you can see the trend, how strong the trend has been. Now, how do you capitalize on something like this on a Bitcoin? कैसे इसे कैपिटलाइज करना है, कैसे इसे देखना है? चलिए मैं आपको मेरा एक जो एक ही इंडिकेटर है स्कैल्पिंग के लिए उसके ऊपर लेके चलता हूँ, एंड देन वी कम बैक हियर हाउ टू ट्रेड दैट. So if you can see my screen here, that's a nifty chart and amazing move, right? And we can clearly see the indicator has been turning up, which means the trend has been going up. We should start looking for buying, and it has worked brilliantly from the time zone also. If you look at the Bitcoin now, on the Bitcoin, the cycles are applied. If you check this cycle from this point, a sharp reversal, from this point, a sharp reversal, this point, ऊपर जाके low break हो गया, मतलब top लग गया था. Again, a sharp reversal from the cycle. So the cycle on Bitcoin is working out very well. And the coordinate of the cycle, जो बहुत सारे जन पूछते हैं कि कितना period है ये cycle का, is what I want to share you. So it is 461 minus 403, and it is 58. So the period on the cycle is 58, जो यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हो, which is working very well. And right now, simplest way how to look at this indicator, when all the three lines are on the upside or deviated, when it's starting to deviate, that's a sign कि trend शायद change हो रहा है. When it comes on the upside on the daily time frame, it's a signal trend change हो चुका है. You have to find out a risk reward. So ये यहाँ पर buy sell नहीं है, क्योंकि डेली पे by the time the three lines are coming up, the move has already happened. So you have to anticipate it there. Once the daily पे trend change हो रहा है, जैसे हमने निफ्टी पे देखा, you then switch to 1 hour or 15 minutes time frame. So switching to 15 minutes क्योंकि मुझे scalping करना है, and combine with time cycle or new wave if you want to. and then you start taking buy signal. So for example, from this time, I knew the time cycle is turning, and we can see that the buy signal came here on this AK custom indicator. The buy signal came here at this point of time, which means the trend has turned back up. Once the trend is turned back on the upside, we will continue to stay on the upside until all the three lines touch back down. No selling until then. We might be late. So profit booking, partial profit booking, you will have to do and ensure to maintain stop loss and understand the risk. That is very important. So this up move happened from when Bitcoin was 1,21,000. It went all the way towards 1,25,000, all the way on the upside. And the sell signal that you got here, the sell signal, all the three lines touching down came exactly at 1,24,662. Not here. ये तो बाद में था. यहीं पे आ गया था. Exit करो अपनी position. We are not selling because daily was turning up. तो sell नहीं करना है, हमें buy signal देखना है. And these time cycle zones, if you get a buy signal, brilliant. Then there is such a confirmation of time, momentum, and a strong indication from price action. तीनों चीज combine होती. Again, if you look at it, you have to enter on the long side. From where? Do not take a sell signal because daily पे we are on the buy side. So ये पूरे के पूरे टाइम फ्रेम में बाय पे, तो सेल सिग्नल इग्नोर करना है. 15 मिनट्स पे बाय के लिए स्कैल्पिंग निकालना है. So if I look at it, classic. If you check, the signal comes when for the first time all the three line turns back on the upside, which was here, which was here. That was the signal. लेकिन प्राइस एक्शन कंफर्म हुआ हमें यहां पर, तो बाय मिला इस लेवल पे प्राइस एक्शन के साथ कंफर्मेशन 1,24,260. देर इज नो एग्जिट इवन नाउ. अभी तक एग्जिट नहीं है. सो स्कैल्पिंग के लिए अमेजिंग मूव. वन इंडिकेटर, वन टाइम साइकिल, एंड लुक एट द मूव. Now, when all the three lines have deviated coming back together, this can be a very quick entry that you might have to do and exit also. क्योंकि सिग्नल तो यहां मिल चुका था पहली बार जब तीनों लाइन टच हो गई. दैट वाज अ बाय. नाउ सेल में नहीं है, बाय में ही है. So now when all the three lines are touching back together, you might want to enter, but with a small stop and a small target. Stop loss maintain करना है, risk समझना है. And it works. So for if I want to scalp now, I might just want to enter here. मेरा target previous swing high, which was 125,780. बहुत छोटा scalp होगा ये, क्योंकि ये 15 मिनट क्रिप्टो पे. And stop loss ये कैंडल का लो. That's how fast you can trade using this. And trade कहाँ करना है? So once you are here, then you can go to this platform, Delta Exchange का. You have the, you can simply come here. You can also do options here. There are options also where you can create call options, put options, expiry happening every other day. There is over here. So I'll come back to this Bitcoin and I can simply look at the chart and I can click on buying here. So you can look at 15 minutes also. What we are seeing there on TradingView, we are seeing it here any which ways. But as I said, since we are entering in the middle of the trend already after a rally, we want to be quick. We want to buy and exit quickly, maintaining small stop and risk reward. तो इस तरीके से आप कर सकते हो. यू कैन ऑल्सो कंबाइन द MACD हिस्टोग्राम जो मैंने पहले वीडियो में बताया था विद द बॉलिंग बैंड्स कॉन्सेप्ट्स और कैल्टनर चैनल. ये चीजों को आप क्लब कर सकते हो साथ में. But I'm telling you honestly, if you combine it with time cycle or wave, the power of AK indicator is at next level, and it can be applied on Bitcoin, USD. You can apply it on Ethereum. You can apply it on Solana. बहुत सिस्टमेटिक वे से आपको अप्लाई करना है, सिस्टमेटिक वे से आपको यहाँ चेक करना है. So if you look at the daily time frame chart, it is amazingly up all the way on the upside. And entry पोजिशनली अभी नहीं है. पोजिशनली तो पहले एंटर करना था आपको, अभी तो ट्रेंड आ चुका है ऑलरेडी. सो अभी स्कैल्प करना है. स्कैल्पिंग स्ट्रेटेजी, कंबाइन दिस टेक्निक्स which I have just now told you across. So this is how it works, and it is simply amazing. You will have to ensure you combine these methods together and maintain a stop loss and risk. Understand the risk. So that's how I thought I'll make a very short quick video how to apply. बहुत सारे जनों ने जो एक इंडिकेटर भी लिया वो पूछ रहे थे क्रिप्टो पे कैसे अप्लाई हो सकता है। डेली पे डालिए, डेली पे सीन कॉन्टेक्स्ट मिल गया, 15 पे स्विच करिए एंड देन कीप स्टार्ट एंटरिंग व्हेन द सिग्नल इज देयर फ्रॉम सेल टू बाय। देन इन मीटर इंटरमीडिएट सिग्नल्स जो आ रहे हैं उसमें छोटा स्टॉप और छोटा टारगेट स्कैल्प करना है। सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन स्कैल्प। There is also a community which is there for crypto traders. Down there is the link. You can use that. There is also a very clear if you are joining if you are trading crypto, do ensure the movement is very fast. So maintain stop loss at any point of time. Understand the risk. थैंक यू वेरी मच गाइस। आज का शॉर्ट वीडियो पसंद आया तो नीचे लिखिए आप क्या देखना चाहते हैं, तो मैं हर रोज ऐसे वीडियोस बनाते रहूं। दिस वाज मोर ऑन लर्निंग पर्सपेक्टिव एंड if you want me to make such videos, do put down your comments down there. Just very quickly, we are SEBI registered research analysts. Whatever we are doing is purely learning perspective, and keep that in mind. Thank you. Have a wonderful time.